Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Give it all. Leave nothing in the tank when it comes to your projects and your dreams. Make them the driving force of your life. Don't put them aside as so many people do, telling themselves that they're not possible, that they won't work out, or that they require way too much work. You only live once. What moves you? What triggers strong emotions in you? What do you want to fight for? Have something that makes you feel alive. Have this flame in you. Don't live the life that other people would like to impose on you. Live your life on your own terms. Fight for your dreams and for what is just. Nobody said it would be easy. And that is a good thing. Because that's the way you'll become stronger and develop a powerful, charismatic personality. Success isn't just about luck, it's about commitment, strategy, and resilience. Here are 10 ways to give it your all and achieve your goals. Define your vision. A clear goal keeps you focused and motivated. Know exactly what you want to achieve. Develop a strong mindset. Cultivate confidence, discipline, and adaptability. A growth mindset will keep you moving forward. Set smart goals. Rather than letting them stop you. Surround yourself with the right people. Will hold us back. Giving it all you've got is the secret sauce to success. 2 Chronicles 15-7. But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded.